And I'm running to the hardware store to pick up some nails, and I have to grab our skill saw. So I'm gonna take you with me, and yeah, let's go. Okay, so that's the building there that we're doing some repairs to. It's just kind of like a catch-all for parts. There's Chad, he's waving goodbye. That's the lumber there that we got. It's just rough cut lumber. It's local from the mill up on the mountain, so that's what we got. It's always good to support local when you can. There's my coffee. I'm sure it'll be cold when I get back, but that's okay. Vina's probably upset that she's not coming, but my back is bad and I don't want to pick her up, so she'll have to stay. I'm just gonna put my seatbelt on here. Alright, now we're ready. We have to make a quick pit stop at our other building just down the road here. Yeah, so we'll do that too. But it's honestly beautiful here right now with the leaves changing. I'll try to film some of the leaves maybe on the way back, but yeah, things are going good today. Nathan's working on the brakes on the 36 Hudson, which is really exciting. It seems like the brakes have been kind of, I don't know, a mystery for a long time, just where we couldn't get like 36 Hudson brake shoes. Nathan had to really do some research figuring out what other brake shoes and cylinders and all that stuff. Super exciting. And yeah, Chad's just been picking away at the Volvo doing the fabrication. There's so much welding and grinding that he has to do off camera. But yeah, him and Doug today are just kind of picking away at that barn, which is a really positive thing because it's one of those tasks that needs to be done, but yet we never seem to find the time because we're so busy doing everything else that we do. So I'm really happy to see progress there. It's hard, like the more stuff you acquire, even more you have to take care of, and yada yada. Like it is what it is. But we are just pulling into our barn here. So this is our place that we just got re-sided, and we're slowly working on the barn here. Just got it unlocked. Maybe I can find what we need. There it is. So yeah, this is the barn. It's filling up with cars. But it's really good that we sold some of the cars. This 38 Chevy is still available right there. It runs, drives. Alright, let's go to the hardware store. Seatbelt again. I always forget my seatbelt. Fun fact, after we got back from our trip, I got this green fuzzy woolly fall jacket, and I literally cannot go anywhere without somebody complimenting it. I've never bought anything or wore anything that like got that much attention, so it's kind of cool like when you find cool pieces like that that everybody seems to enjoy. So this is our beautiful little town. I come down here every morning and get coffee for the guys at 10 a.m. That's our ritual. And then, look at that Porsche. It's cute. Yeah, so we get a coffee break at 10. We take lunch at 12. And then at 3 o'clock, I bring up a Corona for the guys to have. It just kind of keeps it light and casual and fun, and just, yeah. Here's the leaves here that I was talking about. It's gorgeous. I really feel like this fall the leaves are so vibrant. I think a lot of people were surprised that we sold off some of the projects. I was kind of surprised that we sold some of them as well, but do, and I think that should be enough for what we're doing. I think I might dive into more of the business side of the numbers if you guys are interested, because we have, I don't know, there's a lot to it, but yet the front here. Okay.
I don't know that Jolene sign language yet.
And the scale saw's in the front seat.
Check you out.
In the front seat.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, I'll get back to the business side of things maybe in another video.
Hey, baby.
Okay.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my girl.
Have you got that film? You film it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, perfect. Now you know why I use a zip cut.
Yeah.
Pond dry.
Curse the carpenters. It's right that. There, sorry about that.
I think that's. Check it out, does it? Put it in. No more screws.
No more screws?
No more screws. This to work. When you put a nail in something, then good. I might get some. I'm not sure. I guess I was gonna
Motorbikes would look good.
What's that?
Motorbikes would look good in here, wouldn't they?
They wouldn't. I'm gonna say, motorbikes would look good anywhere other than where we got them right now, to be honest with you.
I think a few of them will look really good in my shop.
Yeah, some do.
Yeah. I'll just sit on and make motorbike noises for now. Kind of cold to drive on.
It is, isn't it?
If I had money, I would buy a bunch of them. I would have like a large collection of motorcycles that I probably wouldn't hardly drive like the one I get now. And the other ones I've got now.
69 3/4. What I'm gonna say is, we have to get a little rhythm going here of some sort. And, too long. Alrighty. We got the one. Which one did I measure?
First one.
This one. I gotta take a little bit off, Doug.
Your quote could be different here.
Forward. on that floor is what it's hitting.
Yes.
Driving me up too far.
Did bring us a skill saw.
Did?
Mm-hmm.
You bring a skill saw, baby? Awesome. Cut a crooked line, that's what I need.
Not hard to cut a crooked line.
Just ask me.
Yeah, that's me too.
All right,
Oh,
Dad.
baby.
Here's the next one, bud.
There, man. Nice.
Make sure it's over tight when you nail it.
Yeah.
Top and bottom. 413, 2 4 barrels. I've had it for a long time. It's been sitting there for quite a while. We also got a 3D3 sitting over there. Jolene does. I'm gonna go get another board. Now, I'm just kind of wondering what we're going to do in places like this. Like, am I going to stick a board in there? Or am I going to, you know what I mean? Like, I'm going to have to bring it over and cut it. Obviously. Go around that. I may as well to make it look good.
Aha. Kurt being fair.
That's the longer one of the 12-footer. So I'm going to save that and make it down this end and make it fit up in here. Remember that?
I knew there was a method to your madness.
Yeah. Tape measure really much. Neither's a big one that fails, is it?
No, that one was really bad.
69 and a half.
Violent.
Hey man, you do what you gotta do.
That's what you do.
That's what I do. Always. How far?
I noticed that. I noticed that.
6 inches. Skill saw plugged in?
Maybe real quick. I thought you were going to say mini grinder. No mini grinder?
I can mini grinder.
One of those saw blades for your mini grinder.
Hammer in here, Doug. See that bottom will get in.
Is that buddy?
That fits.
Not bad, man, not bad.
Let me get another measure before you get going. 69. 3/4. Grab the board. A little bit longer than that end. So we'll use all the short ends on this end, and then we'll use the longer ends down here because
Gotcha.
that's the way it works.
That's the way it works. Another beauty of a wall here.
Oh, not plugged in. She left that in there. Leave it in your hammer. Oh, good. All right. Is it good? I'm hammering it too tight there, is it? Yeah, that's good.
Just tighten up.
Just tighten up. I'm saying 69 3/4 again. 69 3/4, yeah. It's not popping that board off now. Huh?
Looks good.
It's popping that board up. That's what I'm just wanting to pop that.
Up on the roof board, I think.
I don't want it to. How's that?